Hello and welcome to day 2 of your grammar learning journey. Yesterday, we talked about the basics of grammar and why it matters. Today, we're focusing on sentences, what makes a complete sentence and how to build one with confidence. No pressure, no confusing rules, just simple steps to help you speak and write better English. Let's get started. The real sentence formula, seriously, it's simple. Every sentence in English usually has 3 parts. Who's doing something? What are they doing? And maybe what are they doing it to? That's it. That's all you need to make a solid sentence. Want to see it work? Okay, check this one out. My dog steals socks. Now let's look at what's happening. My dog, that's the one doing something. Steals, that's the action. Socks, that's what's being stolen. Boom. Sentence made. No grammar jargon needed. A few more you'll totally get. Here's where it gets fun. Same sentence style, just different ideas. You crush goals. He forgets passwords. Yeah, we've all been there. We binge Netflix. They eat spicy noodles. The formula's the same in every one. You're just swapping out the words and suddenly, you're speaking real English. But wait, what if there's no thing at the end? Totally okay. Some sentences don't need a what and they're still perfect. Like, she sleeps. Birds fly. It rained. Still real sentences. Still complete thoughts. Some actions don't need to affect anything. They just happen. The trick to making sentences on your own. If you're ever stuck trying to speak or write in English, here's a quick way to get unstuck. Who's doing something? What are they doing? Does it affect something or someone? Add it if yes, skip if not. That's literally how you can build any sentence even on the spot. Let's make it fun, try these. Fill in the blanks with anything. Be serious, be silly, just try it. I collect. She avoids. We enjoy. They hate. Here's mine. I collect coffee mugs I don't even use. Why? No idea. I just do. Now it's your turn. Drop your sentence in the comments. I'm reading them all. Quick recap, no fancy words. A sentence usually needs someone doing something. Maybe something's affected, if needed. That's it. You don't need to remember grammar rules, just focus on the idea behind your sentence. Quick practice, say one out loud. Before you scroll away, just say one sentence. Right now. Here are a few you can borrow. I'm learning English every day. We cook dinner together. He plays guitar really well. Feels good, right? Saying it helps lock it in your brain. That's a wrap for today. Next time, we'll talk about nouns, what they are, and how to use them without turning into a grammar robot. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and come hang out again. We're learning English together, one easy step at a time. You're doing so well. Seriously. Keep going.